Hare Krishna. Going ahead with Sikshashtakam today. Cheto Darpanamachanam. The best lesson in fact, only in 8 shlokas. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given Siksha lesson to every one of us. So, remembering Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, let's go ahead with Sikshashtakam. Hare Krishna. Screen share, Mataji.
Yeah, I'm doing Mataji. 1 minute.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sri Sikshashtakam. Cheto Darpanamachanam Bhavamahadavagninirvapanam Shreyah Kairavachandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam.
Cheto Darpanamarjanam Bhavamahadavagninirvapanam Shreyah Kairavachandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam.
Anandambudhivartanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
Anandambudhivardanam Pradipadam Purnamritaswadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
Cheto Darpanamachanam Bhavamahadavagninirvapanam Shreyah Kairavachandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam.
Cheto Darpanamarjanam Bhavamahadavagninirvapanam Shreyah Kairavachandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam.
Anandambudhivartanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
Anandambudhivardanam Pratipadam Purnamritaswadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्तिः तत्रार्पिता नियमितस्मरणेन कालः एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवन्ममापि दुर्दैवमीदृशं निहाजनिनानुरागः.
Myself. नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्तिः तत्रार्पिता नियमितस्मरणेन कालः एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैवमीदृशं मिहाजनिनानुरागः.
दिव्या माताजी. तृणादपि शुनीचेन तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानिना मानदेन कीर्तनीयः सदा हरिः.
तृणादपि सुनीचेन तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानिन मानदेन कीर्तनीयः सदा हरिः.
Next one. न धनं न जनं न सुन्दरीं कवितां वा जगदीश कामये मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवतात् भक्तिरहैतुकी त्वयि।
न धनं न जनं न सुन्दरीं कवितां वा जगदीश कामये। मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवताद्भक्तिरहैतुकी त्वयि।
वृन्दमाताजी। अयि नन्दतनुज किङ्करं पतितां मां विषमे भवाम्बुधौ कृपया तव पादपङ्कज स्थितधूलिसदृशं विचिन्तय।
अयि नन्दतनुज किङ्करं पतितां मा विषमे भवाम्बुधौ कृपया तव पादपङ्कज स्थितधूलिसदृशं विचिन्तय।
नयनं गलदश्रुधारया वदनं गद्गदरुद्धया गिरा पुलकैर्निचितं वपुः कदा तव नामग्रहणे भविष्यति।
नयनं गलदश्रुधारया वदनं गद्गदरुद्धया गिरा पुलकैर्निचितं वपुः कदा तव नामग्रहणे भविष्यति।
राजेश्वरी माताजी। युगायितं निमेषेण चक्षुषा प्रावृषायितं शून्यायितं जगत्सर्वं गोविन्दविरहेण मे।
युगायितं निमेषेण चक्षुषा प्रावृषायितं शून्यायितं जगत्सर्वं गोविन्दविरहेण मे।
आश्लिष्य वा पादरतां पिनष्टु माम् अदर्शनान् मर्महतां करोतु वा यथा तथा वा विदधातु लम्पटो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव नापरः।
आश्लिष्य वा पादरतां पिनष्टु माम् अदर्शनान् मर्महतां करोतु वा यथा तथा वा विदधातु लम्पटो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव नापरः।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। वत्सला माताजी।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
प्रभुराशिक्षाष्टकश्लोकये पडे शुने कृष्णे प्रेम भक्ति तारा बड़े दिने दिने। प्रभुराशिक्षाष्टकश्लोकये पडे शुने कृष्णे प्रेमे भक्ति तारा बड़े दिने दिने।
प्रभुरा शिक्षाष्टकश्लोकये पठे शुने कृष्णे प्रेम भक्ति तारा बड़े दिने दिने। प्रभुरा शिक्षाष्टकश्लोकये पठे शुने कृष्णे प्रेम भक्ति तारा बड़े दिने दिने।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टक श्लोक की जय। Hare Krishna. Bhartaji, can you show the translation? Can we just see the translation and read? Most valuable lessons from Sikshashtakam. So the first one. Glory to the Sri Krishna Sankirtana, congregational chanting of the Lord's holy names, which cleanses the heart of all the dust accumulated for years and extinguishes the fire of conditional life of repeated birth and death. That Sankirtana movement is the prime benediction for humanity at large because it spreads the rays of the benediction moon. It is the life of all transcendental knowledge. It increases the ocean of transcendental bliss and it enables us to fully taste the nectar for which we are always anxious. Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Now the second one. My Lord, your holy name alone can render all benediction to living beings. And thus you have hundreds and millions of names like Krishna and Govinda. In these transcendental names, you have invested all your transcendental energies. There are not even hard and fast rules for chanting the names. Chanting these names, oh my Lord, out of kindness you enable us to easily approach you by your holy names, but I am so unfortunate that I have no attraction for them. Mataji, read 3 and 4, Lalita Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. One should chant the holy name of the Lord in a humble state of mind, thinking oneself lower than the straw in the street. One should be more tolerant than a tree, devoid of all sense of false prestige, and should be ready to offer all respect to others. In such a state of mind, one can chant the holy name of the Lord constantly. O Almighty Lord, I have no desire to accumulate wealth, nor do I desire beautiful women, nor do I want any number of followers. I only want your causeless devotional service, birth after birth. Should I
O
continue?
son of Maharajananda, Krishna, I am your eternal servitor. Yet, somehow or other, I have fallen into the ocean of birth and death. Please pick me up from this ocean of death and place me as one of the atoms at your lotus feet. O my Lord, when will my eyes be decorated with tears of love flowing constantly when I chant your holy name? When will my voice choke up and when will the hairs of my body stand on end at the recitation of your name? Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Krishna. Oh Govinda, feeling your separation, I am considering a moment to be like 12 years or more. Tears are flowing from my eyes like torrents of rain, and I'm feeling all vacant in the world in your absence. I know no one but Krishna as my Lord, and he shall remain so even if he handles me roughly by his embrace or makes me broken-hearted by not being present before me. He's completely free to do anything and everything, for he is always my worshipful Lord unconditionally. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Prabhra Sikshashtaka Shloka A Pade Shuni. When you read this Sikshashtaka of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu regularly, Shloka A Pade Shuni, either listen or sing. Krishna Bhakti Tara Bade Dine Dine. So if we want to love Krishna more and more, we have to sing this Sikshashtaka every day. Listen, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam. So we have to keep listening to this Sikshashtaka every day, regularly. So that will increase our Krishna, love for Krishna. Krishna Bhakti Dara Bade Dine Dine. Day by day, our love for Lord Krishna will increase. That's the beautiful Falastuti of Sikshashtaka. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Jai. Hare Krishna. Mataji will do the closing.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripasindubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki Jai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Prabhupada ki Jai. Hare Krishna Mahamantra ki Jai. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Jai. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Bhagavad Grandhon ki Jai. Sri Radha Govind ki Jai. Jai. Ram Lalla ki Jai. Jai.